What is up, everybody? It's Sweet Crypto here, and today we're doing another crypto video. Basically for upload schedule and activity. I do want to give an update on that. My schedule has cleared up a little bit, so I'm not as busy as I used to be. So I'll be being a lot more active. You can join my Telegram, but let's get into it. We're gonna go over some certain projects today, and should be a good quality video. I put up my chair here. All right. So, Titano, what is happening with Titano? It's at 5 cents. 5 cents. Wasn't this thing a while ago? A couple weeks ago, just at like 19? So, they updated the UI. And before they updated the UI, it was dropping all the way down to 10 cents. And then they updated the UI, and it's just dropped in half. They got audited. I mean, I like the UI. They did add a swap here, which I like. But they're just, it's not working out very well. They put new calculators, which are really cool. And I honestly like the new UI. It's dropping, but I like it. So I don't know what's going on with this, but we're just holding on. We're making $43 a day at the current price. At all-time high, we're making over 100. So just gotta stay strong and keep just compounding. Next, we're gonna talk about is drip. Okay, drip, $30. It's going up and down. If you don't know, I got killed by drip. I've been killed by drip. Yes. We're gonna hydrate this. I'm continuously hydrating. Drip. You never know where it's gonna go. You don't know. I mean, it's now at $30. They're trying to do stuff. The developer's trying to do stuff, and this is gonna tie into our next thing. The developer of drip who has Animal Farm. What is he doing, man? What is this guy doing? It's still paused. It was supposed to get unpaused weeks ago. A month ago. More than a month ago. That's just bad development right there. That's just bad development. And we see Drip Garden, the pool, continuously decreasing. Like, what is he doing? This is really hurting Drip. This is really hurting Drip. Why is Drip so low? I think it's because of the Animal Farm, if I'm going to be honest with you. People are taking these rewards, splitting it up, and then using it for profit. And also in Drip Garden, they're just taking it out. Drip, taking it out because, well, the Animal Farm's not producing anything. Gonna compound here at only the $12 that I have. Look how many plants we got, just because of the plant price is so cheap. We're now gonna have 2,451 plants on this account. Well, that's cool and all, but when is he gonna pause it? Let's look at this account. 851 plants. We got 81 plants here, about $25. We'll just compound that. My hope is that they unpause this to developer. This contract balance goes all the way back up to 700,000, because that's a lot of money that's gotten taken out, over 300,000. And then we'd be making hundreds of dollars a day just off this, but doesn't look like that's happening anytime soon. So let's also talk about this coin called, and also Splash. I'll be doing a video when they unpause their site. It's paused right now because they're doing some updates, if you're wondering about that. This is the thing that I think I've talked about on the channel. It's this Piston token. I bought in at about $16, so it's at $13.08, so it's down. And it's a pretty cool pretty good token. The idea behind it I like. a lot. You can join my pit crew. I'm not even gonna link my referral link. I mean, I could, I guess. I guess I will. But what you do is, this is like your race car, right? You input your gas, and I don't know where you are right now in the world, but gas at my area is very expensive, even though this has nothing to do with it. It just reminded me of it, because I'm gonna have to go fill up my tank tomorrow, which is gonna suck. So we put in the gas, right, which is gonna be your piston tokens, which is worth $192 right now. And I put in 11.5, and then it generates fuel, or nitro. Nitro is compounding, so we have $10 basically to compound. I compound this every like 3 days or whatever. You get 1% of your daily income, and you get these meters. So see, now look, I have this $202 and keeps on going up. And I think the more this goes up into the revs, so this is called revs if you don't know what a car is, the RPMs, and this can go up to the red meter. And I think, let's look at this, the inflow total amount of gas tank can never go higher than 5 times the deposit. Okay, so if this reaches all the way up, that's 5 times. So I would have 55 in here, so that's 5 times what I put in. You can't go above that. You got to make a new account. You're getting 1% a day off that continuously. And with this, what this means is that's a good balance, because a person can't, keep on compounding. If they're going to get 5 times to compound, I don't know how many days that would be, but probably a couple months, then they can't just keep feeding off that for a year. So it's adds some nice balance to the mix. You also can claim all of it if you want. Don't know why you would, but you can take a look at this too. But yeah, you can join by referral code. I'll copy that. I'll put it in my description. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. Let's look at Elephant Money. What happened to this? I'm still continuously compounding. I have no intention of taking it out, or let's roll this. I have no intention. That's a lot of trunk cheese. I have no intention of taking this out, or I'm just waiting. I mean, this is barely any trunk. This may be like $400. One trunk. Oh, okay. So if it's okay. Oh, this is $400. Don't know how I got $400. Oh yeah. This is I got about 400. I've put in about 300 or less. But the payout, I want to stampede it. Never mind. I don't even know what stampede means. Okay. Wait, it probably says down here, just really quickly. Give me a second. Oh, these are some nice stats. I didn't even know they had these stats. Oh. Pancake liquidity, 12 million. That's pretty good. Elephant treasury, about 55,000. Cash treasury, 144K. Supply, 17 million. User count, only 6,500. It's not a ton. Staked balance, it's a good amount. Dividend pool, it's a good amount. Redemption price, pancake LP price, fees. You can look at all this stuff here. And you can join my team if you want. I'm not doing any airdrops, so I mean, you don't really need to. I'll do airdrops eventually. Oh, here we go. It could be. Oh, that's redeemed. I really want to see what the stampede thing is. Anyway, if you know what the stampede is, you can let me know in the comments. And another thing I want to show, I'm going to quickly blur the screen real quick. Sorry if my voice is pretty melancholy right now. Just tired day. Holy moly, I've been tired this whole entire day. This whole day. It's been a very tiring day. For me, at least. Okay, so we're gonna cartel game. Remember this? Yeah, it's basically, yeah, it's gone. it's gone. Yeah. It's pretty much gone. It's pretty much failed from looks of it. You know, it's basically rugged. So, failed project. Lost my bet on this one. $1,600 I lost. No, less than that. Like $1,400 I lost. But you know what? It's okay. You win some, you lose some. Right now, I'm losing some, but hopefully Splash can pick it back up, and hopefully Pulse Chain can come out, because that would be nice. Then we would win a nice one. Updates on my developing skills. I'm trying to become a blockchain developer to make my own projects. I've been really busy right now, so I'm trying really hard to get in touch with a person to teach me. It's the only problem I have with it is that it takes up a lot of time, and it takes a lot of money. It takes a lot of money, right? I mean, you can go on the internet and take the courses. I've tried. It's too hard. Okay, let's be realistic. Who has patience for that? I don't know anybody that does. Even if you're getting paid. No, I'm kidding. That'd be a different story. But it's like, for a person to teach you, it's gonna cost you, just to know this stuff, over 10 grand for sure. So it's a huge investment, first of all, that I'm gonna have to make. And it's tons of hours. So yeah, but I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll probably post a video tomorrow. If Splash is live, I'll post one tomorrow. If Splash is not live, I'll post a video Friday. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay safe.